Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by verifying obvious power sources. This saves time. Remove the battery cover and take out batteries or the battery pack, then check for corrosion or loose contacts. Once done, install one fresh AA or a fully charged battery pack and connect a known good USB cable to the controller and console or PC so it gets direct power. Hold the Xbox button for 6-10 seconds to force a shutdown if it's stuck. Then press once to attempt a normal power-up. This isolates battery versus firmware issues. Now you move into inspection and reset. Open the battery compartment and gently clean contacts with a 70% isopropyl swab. Excessive moisture can short contacts, so be careful. Next, swap to a different USB cable and a different USB port on the console or PC to confirm the controller receives charge. Look for LED activity when plugged in. Once charging works, perform a soft sync by pressing the console's bind button, then pressing the controller bind until the ring flashes. This refreshes the wireless link. Finish by ensuring software and hardware are aligned. Connect the controller to your console or the Xbox Accessories app and install any firmware updates. Updated firmware often fixes power state bugs. Then test the controller on another console or PC. If it powers on there, the issue is the original console. If nothing works, replace the battery pack or the controller shell after ruling out wiring, and if problems persist, try a console factory reset only as a last resort. Tip: if it still won't turn on, a quick
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.